Let's connect with Sanjiv Bhasin as well, who joins in on the show. Hi there, Sanjiv. Good to have you. Let's discuss then the heavyweights that really have propelled the move, as last week we hit those record highs, topping the 22,400 mark. SBI and Reliance Industries, do you think that they can continue to work their magic?
Yeah, good morning. So, Avan, it's a mixed bag. I mean, who thought Tata Chemical will rise 35% in 4 days? And I think stock specific, the index is getting propelled by a large part of the underperformers. Now, HDFC Bank, for that matter, like I told you, 1350 may not be seen. It may consolidate, but it has consolidated for long. And I think with yields falling, inflation falling, HDFC Bank, according to me, could add more legs to the market. However, like we've seen, the mid caps is where there is a little bit of a pain point, and that could be a little bit of a maybe a laggard. But I still think large caps. Look at the cement basket. If people are not aware, petcoke prices have fallen by almost 20% in the last 1 month. So I think stocks like Ultratech, stocks like Ambuja, the Adani twins, these are all raring to go. So we think that there is enough stock-specific movement. The index will take some more consolidation at these levels. You cannot have runaway rallies. We have rallied quite a bit, but I think the index is where there will be more money made than in the broader market.
Okay,
a lot of stocks which are going to be in focus. And talking about DB Realty, Sanjiv, hi, morning. Let's get your thoughts in.
Yeah, good morning. Aisha, we've taken the other Mumbai player, India Bull Real Estate. We are very bullish on that. I think 16th or 24th is when the NCLT again meets for clearing the demerger. It was slated in the last month, but because of less time, they could not get through the cases. India Bull Real Estate for me is the stock of the year, given that they have one of the best inventories both in Maharashtra and Delhi. And I think Embassy will turn around this company. So I would rather be with India Bull Real Estate than DB Realty. That has been a very, very strong mover. But I think India Bull Real Estate has just started a move.
Okay, that's India Bull's Real Estate versus DB Realty for Sanjiv. Sanjiv, for you, I guess you're sticking by with your call amongst the oil and gas pack, ONGC?
Yes, Aisha, ONGC and IOC stand out. We've had a profit booking bout on the city gas distribution. Over there, we still like IGL. There was too much of apprehension on the present government's embargo that they will convert everything into EVs. And CNG is something which will continue parallel to what most people expect. And I think the type of distribution network IGL has started in aside from Delhi, the areas in East and Eastern UP and so on, they are making up very, very strong volumes there. So in that, I would say IGL on any decline is a buy. Yes, government may be capping up the extra profits which they have, and they have cut prices. But we think in your portfolio, ONGC should be your top pick and IOC on declines. The near-term volatility will be a little bit, will see little impact on the stock. But Aisha, this 100 rupee cut on LPG means rural houses will be having more money to spend. So we continue to be very, very overweight on Bata and Patanjali or the whole basket of rural expenditure on staple discretionary, because those are where you will really see a good impact coming. After two-wheelers, we think rural incomes are now going to rise, and Bata, Patanjali are best poised to take advantage of that. As a disclosure, these stocks are under our coverage, maybe in our portfolio also.
Stanley has got an overweight rating with a 180 rupee target price on the stock. Sanjiv, just wondering how you're tracking the performance of Zomato, given that we are also seeing a lot of competition now with some of the other players building up their quick services.
Well, Avan, the stock has been on a dream run in the last 1.5 years. It's up 4 times. And, there has been exit of some of the longer-term private equity investors also, which again is a momentarily. The stock is in a very, very huge uptrend, and it's here to stay. If you see what the valuation now Swiggy is getting, then Zomato still has, a little bit of legs on the upside. But like I said, maybe now at 160, 180, there's no such fresh impetus to drive the stock higher. You will want some change in earnings, some more guidance, which will take it higher. It will be over here at these prices. it has been an outperformer. Our top pick over there has been this and PB Fintech, which has outperformed, and unfortunately Paytm, which has underperformed. But we think Zomato is been one of the stars and continues to be one of the outperformers.
Sanjiv, quite a few cases out there, JM Financial, and over the weekend we heard that the regulator has barred them from the bond market as well, and perhaps IPO market as well. That, Paytm, IIFL Finance. You think this could lead to some sort of sentimental damage, if you will, within the small and mid caps specifically, or not quite?
So, Aisha, firstly, I'll excuse myself from speaking on that because we are part of the company or the groups which you have spoken. But I would like to tell you the broader context. All these things are very, very good in the longer term because they help companies get back onto track on some small problems which may have been in the offing. And I think the recourse or the course correction will be a very, very big positive. We cannot question the ability of the Reserve Bank because it's done in the bigger good of all investors. And I think with a pinch of salt, you will have to take it for companies to do their course correction over a period of time. And like I said, in a bull market, you tend to ignore most of the negative news. And that is why mid caps may be under slight bit of pressure. On the stock specific, I cannot make any comment.
All right, Sanjiv, would like to take time out to thank you for joining in on the show and sharing with us your market outlook.